welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Riti Kumari and today we are back with another video on my channel that is regarding off-campus job opportunities and intern opportunities as well. So the batches which are applicable is 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023 and 2024 as well. So without any further delay, let's have a really quick look at these job opportunities. So the very first job opportunity is from Nike. It is for the role of software engineer and the batches which are applicable are 2021, 2020 and 2019. So let's have a really quick look at this job opportunity as well. So as you can see, it is for the role of software engineer 1. They have given the team and the product creation PI and CC. The job location would be Bangalore, Karnataka, India. And they have given more about like what is Nike all about, what qualifications they want from a person, and what you will bring. So they have clearly mentioned it that someone who is having 1 to 3 plus experience using JavaScript Node or 1 plus years of development experience in microservices can go ahead and apply. And they have also mentioned a qualification like someone who is having a bachelor degree in computer science or information system or any other relevant field can go ahead and apply. So you just need to click this apply now button and you are good to go with this job opportunity. So basically on clicking the apply now button, you will be directed to the company website. There you can find the job ID as well. So if you are someone who is looking for a referral and who wants a job ID, you can just click on apply on company website, and then there you can get the job ID and vouch to any of the person who is in Nike or any of the employee who is working in Nike for a referral. So the second job opportunity in this list is from PhonePe. It is for the role of intern and the batches which are applicable are 2021 and 2020. So let's have a really quick look at this job opportunity as well. So as you can see, it is an intern in analytics at PhonePe. They have given about PhonePe, the culture, the responsibilities, the qualifications. So the ideal candidate should be in final year of college with a bachelor's in engineering, computer science, math, statistics or related fields. And here you can see that they have also given the internship period which is of 6 months, the internship stipend which is 20,000 per month, and the location as well, that would be a work from office location Monday to Friday. And they have given the PhonePe full-time benefits as well. So if you're someone who is interning at a company for 6 months, there are major chances that you might receive a full-time offer from them as well. So PhonePe is a great company to work with. They offer a very good compensation as well as the tech on which they are working is also really awesome. So if you're someone who is thinking to consider this opportunity, you can go ahead and apply by clicking this apply now button. So the third opportunity in this list is from Zoho. It is for the role of software engineer, and someone who is from the batch 2022, 2021 or 2020 can go ahead and apply for this job opportunity. So let's have a quick look at this opportunity as well. So as you can see, it is for the role of quality analyst and software debug engineer. The selected candidates will act as a bridge between the technical support engineer and the developer. So you might have heard as QA role for QA. So here you can get a brief about what your role would be, what they want in you, and what you would be bringing to them, and etc. So here is a registration form. You just need to fill this form along with your resume and you're good to go with this job opportunity. Don't get yourself intimidated with the 2023 thing. If you're someone who is from 2021 batch as well, can go ahead and apply for this job opportunity. And then the fourth job opportunity in this list is from Texas Instrument. It is for the role of software engineer, and someone who is from the batch 2021 or 2022 can go ahead and apply for this opportunity. So let's have a really quick look at this job opportunity as well. So as you can see, it is for the role of software engineer, and here you can find the job ID. Here they have given the minimum requirements. As you can see, they have told that someone who is having 3 out of 4 GPA or higher can go ahead and apply. So if you're not someone who is having this eligibility criteria, I would suggest don't apply, because sometimes you apply and then there is a thinking like, why I'm not getting shortlisted. So some companies put on this CGPA criteria as well for the shortlisting purpose. So sometimes you don't get shortlisted because of this. So there are many companies which does the same, but I don't think that it's good to do that, because someone should be judged on the skills, not on the CGP or something like that. So this is the preferred qualifications they are asking. Why Texas Instrument, about Texas Instrument, and you can just go ahead and click this apply online button and you are good to go with this job opportunity as well. So the fifth job opportunity in this list is from Utopus Insights. It is for the role of an intern and it would be a 12 months internship. Yes, you heard it right. So it would be of 4 months, 4 months, 4 months divided in 3 quarters where you would be interning in data science, data engineering and app development in the 3 cohorts. So this job opportunity is applicable for batches like 2021 and 2022. So let's have a really quick look at this job opportunity as well. So as you can see on Hacker Earth, it would be taking place. It is an intern hiring challenge. They have given something about the program, why one should apply. So they have clearly mentioned 12-month internship with a stipend, and here they have given the program deadline like 1 year with 3 rotations across data science, data engineering and application development. They have given the challenge format as well, like 10 MCQs, 2 programming questions, and here you can see they have given the experience, 0 years plus experience, compensation 30,000, job location is Bangalore and openings are 4, and they have given the eligibility as developers who have graduated in 2022 or 2021 for the internships. So this was all about off-campus job opportunities and intern opportunities. Hope you are liking this video. So if you have liked this video, please hit the like button. If you are liking the content which I am posting and if it's helping you in any way, please subscribe to my channel. Also, you guys can share these videos among your college mates, among your friends, among your family members, or among someone who is affected by layoffs and recession. So this was all about this video. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing. Bye all.